Welcome to the new era of software development, where Google's AI coding tools are transforming how developers work. With the release of Gemini 3, Google is setting a new standard for AI-powered coding, making it possible to build, test, and deploy applications faster than ever before. Whether you're a solo developer, a startup founder, or part of a large engineering team, these tools are designed to boost productivity and cut costs dramatically. In this video, we'll explore 6 groundbreaking Google AI coding tools that are changing the game, helping developers deliver projects in record time and at a fraction of the usual budget. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage these innovations to stay ahead. Google's aggressive push into the AI coding space is reshaping the industry. With competitors like Anthropic's Claude Code and Microsoft's GitHub Copilot, Google is determined to dominate by releasing a suite of powerful, often free or affordable tools at an incredible pace. The strategy is clear. Make advanced AI coding accessible to everyone, from seasoned professionals to newcomers. This approach is not just about keeping up with the competition, it's about setting the pace and capturing the market. As we'll see, each tool in Google's arsenal is designed to solve real-world developer pain points, making coding more efficient and cost-effective. Let's look at a real-world example. Mike, a senior developer, shared how using Gemini CLI transformed his workflow. In just 2 weeks, he built a complex inventory management system, something that would have taken months before. Not only did he deliver faster, but he also reduced his client's quote by 60%, increasing his own profit. Stories like Mike's are becoming the norm as Google's AI tools empower developers to achieve more with less effort. Across tech hubs and remote teams worldwide, these tools are enabling rapid development, faster iterations, and significant cost savings. First up is Firebase Studio, Google's all-in-one, cloud-based AI IDE launched in April 2025. It combines Project IDEs, Genkit, and Gemini into a unified environment, allowing solo developers to compete with entire teams. Firebase Studio acts like a senior engineer, DevOps specialist, and cloud architect rolled into one AI assistant. You can start from scratch, import existing code, or choose from over 60 templates. The platform supports both no-code prototyping and full-code development, with AI assistance at every step from UI generation to back-end provisioning and deployment. Firebase Studio's workflow is designed for maximum flexibility. You can start by describing your app in natural language, importing an existing codebase, or selecting a template. The AI-powered workspace guides you through prototyping, coding, integration, and deployment. Features like real-time collaboration, Figma import, and one-click deployment make it easy to go from idea to live app quickly. Whether you're building an MVP, modernizing legacy apps, or creating internal tools, Firebase Studio streamlines the entire process with intelligent automation. Next is Gemini CLI, a terminal-native AI coding assistant launched in June 2025. Unlike IDE plugins, Gemini CLI works directly in your command line, enhancing your existing workflow. It allows you to develop entire applications using natural language commands, generate requirements, write code, debug, and even handle documentation all from the terminal. This tool is perfect for back-end developers, rapid prototyping, and anyone who prefers working in the terminal environment. Gemini CLI's workflow is highly structured. After installation and authentication, you can generate requirements, implement features, debug, and review code all in a seamless loop. The tool reads your team's coding standards and project context, generates comprehensive documentation, and even creates tests. It supports multi-language development and integrates with any IDE for code review. Gemini CLI's session persistence means you can pause and resume projects without losing context, making it ideal for both solo and team-based development. Gemini Code Assist, launched in February 2025, is Google's answer to AI-powered IDE extensions. It integrates seamlessly with popular editors like VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, and Android Studio, offering a massive 128,000 token context window and thousands of daily completions. It outpaces competitors like GitHub Copilot. With real-time code suggestions, chat-based assistance, smart actions, and automated code reviews, Gemini Code Assist is designed to supercharge developer productivity and code quality. Gemini Code Assist offers multiple modes: inline code completion, chat interface, smart actions, and a code review agent. You can get instant code suggestions as you type, ask natural language questions, generate tests, optimize code, and receive detailed code reviews on GitHub pull requests. The tool adapts to your project style and learns from your coding patterns, making it smarter over time. It's especially useful for boosting junior developer productivity, modernizing legacy code bases, and improving test coverage. Google Stitch, launched at Google the 1st divided by 2025, bridges the gap between design and development. Powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro, Stitch turns UI divided by UX ideas into deployable front-end code. You can describe your UI in natural language, upload sketches or screenshots, and get fully functional HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The tool supports live preview, conversational editing, and seamless export to Figma or Code. Stitch is perfect for founders, designers, and developers who want to accelerate prototyping and iterate on designs quickly. With Stitch, you can start by describing your UI, uploading a sketch, or providing a screenshot. The AI analyzes layout, components, color schemes, and generates responsive code. You can preview the UI live, iterate with chat or annotations, and export to HTML, React, or Figma. Advanced features include interactive prototyping, theme management, and a component library. Stitch is ideal for agency pitches, SaaS MVPs, and e-commerce landing pages, enabling rapid design to code workflows. Jules is Google's autonomous coding agent, launched in late 2024 and now available to the public. It clones your GitHub repo into a secure cloud VM and completes entire features, bug fixes, or refactoring tasks while you focus elsewhere. Jules plans, executes, debugs, and even creates pull requests all asynchronously. It's like having a tireless junior developer who learns your preferences and coding style over time. Jules is perfect for dependency upgrades, test coverage, and open source maintenance. Jules starts by connecting to your GitHub repo and analyzing your codebase. You describe the task in natural language, and Jules generates a detailed execution plan for your approval. It works through each step, making code changes, running tests, and debugging autonomously. You can monitor progress in real time, review changes, and merge pull requests when ready. Jules handles multiple tasks in parallel, integrates with GitHub issues, and even supports image-based inputs for UI implementation. Its memory system ensures it adapts to your feedback and coding style over time. Google AI Studio is a full development platform focused on rapid prototyping of AI-powered applications. With features like one-click deployment, an application gallery, and modular AI superpowers, it enables developers to go from idea to production in minutes. You can start by describing your app, using a random idea generator, or uploading a wireframe. AI Studio generates the code, provides a live preview, and supports iterative refinement through chat, annotations, and context-aware suggestions. AI Studio's workflow is intuitive and flexible. Start by describing your app, using the I'm feeling lucky generator, or uploading a design. Choose your AI model and add superpowers like Google Search or Maps integration. The platform generates a complete application structure, which you can preview and edit live. Iterative refinement is easy with conversational updates, visual annotations, and AI suggestions. Deploy your app with one click to Google Cloud Run. Download the code or share a live link. The application gallery and multi-model playground make it easy to learn, remix, and innovate. While Google's AI coding tools are powerful, it's important to recognize their limitations. Issues like security vulnerabilities, code quality concerns, and AI hallucinations, where the AI confidently produces incorrect solutions, can arise. These tools excel at automating repetitive tasks, but human oversight is essential for architecture, security, and business logic. Success comes from leveraging AI for speed and efficiency, while applying your expertise to ensure robust, reliable software. Each Google AI coding tool addresses specific development needs. Firebase Studio is great for full-stack prototyping. Gemini CLI excels in terminal workflows. Code Assist boosts IDE productivity. Stitch bridges design and code. Jules automates feature delivery. And AI Studio enables rapid prototyping. Consider your project's requirements, team workflow, and preferred development style when choosing which tool to adopt. Combining these tools can unlock even greater productivity and innovation. Google's AI coding tools are redefining what's possible in software development. By automating routine tasks and accelerating the development cycle, they empower developers to focus on creativity and problem solving. As AI continues to evolve, staying updated with these tools will be key to maintaining a competitive edge. Remember, the best results come from blending AI efficiency with human judgment. Explore these tools, experiment with their features, and discover how they can transform your workflow.